Alright, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I have a mid-size fashion haul for you guys, but it's not from Shein, it's from Old Navy because we love Old Navy. So I have a bag of stuff here. I also have a pair on. This is not going to be a try on haul because a lot of this stuff is the same exact thing, just in different colors, but I do have one thing to show you at least that is on me currently. So we'll start with that. I got these shorts from Old Navy and they are so comfy. I got one pair to try them out and now I want all the colors. So they are these little shorts. I can just kind of sit up and show you here. They are these shorts. They're made out of like sweatpant material, but they are the perfect length. I got mine in a large. They have pockets. This is just the tie-dye, like green tie-dye one. You can see they cover me really well, but these are my it's too hot to function shorts. So I just put them on with a tank top today because it was like 80 degrees at 10 o'clock this morning. So I decided to get them in all the colors because they are like perfect, like still wearing shorts that are short, but minimal chafing area, if you know what I mean. So I have the one pair on. I also got them in this tie-dye variation. These ones do say Old Navy on them. The other ones don't have anything on them. But I thought this was a really cute version of them. These are also a large, but they have the pockets and the drawstring. And the drawstring is functional. And then I have so many pairs in here. I got these bright pink ones. I have very little pink clothing. So I wanted to get some. I have very little pink and very little red for some reason. But I got these like neon pink ones. They're so light. They're so soft too. They're like the perfect like terry kind of material. And then of course I had to get them in some variation of cheetah print. These ones also say Old Navy on them in like neon pink. But these were also on sale, I think. They were on sale when I got the green ones. But I got these. And then I think I got one more. Yeah, I got just a plain black and white pair that say Old Navy on them. So I wanted to just get a black pair so I had kind of a more neutral color. And then I also got the matching crew neck for that one tie-dye pair of shorts, and like it says Old Navy on it. And I've never had one of those like cute little lounge sets that goes together, so I kind of made this one like just out of the matching. And they have a ton of crew necks that match all the other shorts, so you can definitely get like any of the matching sets. And the last two things, like I said, this is just a really quick thing. From Old Navy, I got this tank top, which was on sale for $7. Okay. It's just a little racer back, light pink tie-dye, so it will kind of match those pink shorts I got, which I really like. And the armholes are nice and big, but not too deep either, so it'll fit nice. And then I got this camo one for $3 because it was on the clearance section. I think it got returned for some reason, but it's just like a gray muscle tee. But I thought I would mention I did pick up 2 sports bras from Under Armour, and if you are a mid-sized person who, especially if you have a wide rib cage like I do, and want like a comfortable sports bra that's still gonna hold you in and give you some compression, go to Under Armour and get these. So this one's a large. It looks really small, but it's a large. They stretch nice. These are my favorite. These are the seamless compression ones. I have a couple in this color. Like I have a gray version that's like my favorite. The cups do come out. I usually take them out, but I got this one in this cool blue color. And then I got this version, which is black, but it has a nice scoop in the back and then like a v-neck front, so you can wear them with all kinds of cute tops, even if you're just going out and want like just a comfy sports bra to be comfy in. But that is it for my mid-size fashion haul. I know this was a quick one. I didn't try a lot on, but it's basically all the same stuff as what I have on right now. So I hope you guys find some comfy stuff wherever you get it, and stay cool because it's super hot out there.